Good morning, my name's Derek. I work for John Deere and I'm happy to welcome you to the John Deere booth at the 2025 ARA show. I'm standing here by our new 333P compact track loader and I'm excited to explain why this is one of the best CTLs on the market. Total redesign that we brought out late last year, really strong customer adoption so far. We had been building 333s as our largest CTL for several years and brought out the P performance tiering on this model with a number of exciting upgrades. Every customer will appreciate, and notice higher horsepower, more hydraulic power, and a totally redesigned cab on these new 333s that came out last year. For years, Deere had built a 331, which was our rental spec large frame CTL. 333 had long been our biggest model. It is still our best seller, but then Deere also began offering with this new product a 335, which is a top of the market, high horsepower, high cooling power, high hydraulic flow for running the most demanding attachments out there. I think one of the biggest takeaways though I'd want to make someone aware of is the 333P is more machined, more power, more hydraulic flow than the 333 it replaced. And so in a lot of cases, depending on the work you're doing and the attachments you want to run, a new 331 may be everything that the 333 was before. We're definitely guilty of some model creep here, trying to up the game on this popular large frame skid steer. A popular new option with the P tier is a 360-degree surround. You can see that this machine is equipped with that option. It has the surround cameras. Backup camera is standard, but with the surround cameras, it offers the monitor a full surround. People would be accustomed to this on most newer, higher quality automobiles, but we think it's a new and exciting feature that will improve speed and safety in the construction industry, and you'll be seeing it on more and more Deere machines. But these P-tier large frame CTLs are the first compact equipment machines to offer 360 surround camera option. This machine is mated with a new high performance attachment that we've also recently brought to market through our ownership and partnership with Wirtgen, world's leading road building equipment manufacturer. We now have Wirtgen designed and Deere built and supported milling heads. This is our largest one, but for a concrete contractor who needed to do milling repair work, this is the CP40G. So a 40-inch wide mill that is optimized to run with this new Deere 333 P tier. Again, the hydraulic requirements are optimized, and this is top of the line in the planing world. We're really happy to be able to unlock that synergy for our customers with Deere CTL engineering expertise and Wirtgen Group's road building experience. Any Deere compact equipment dealer can sell and service the new 333P, and we'd encourage people to visit your local dealer to learn more about this exciting new product.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.